So Save the Waves is an international nonprofit dedicated to protecting surf ecosystems across the globe, and we use surfing as a vehicle for conservation. We partner with local communities and movements around the world to address immediate threats and to protect surf ecosystems before they can be harmed, destroyed, in places, especially in places where high-quality waves overlap with key biodiversity areas. In 2019, members of the local community of Playa Brasil reached out to us to support a local movement to protect Punta Conejo, a renowned surf break along the coastline of Oaxaca in Mexico. During our visit, we learned that the Mexican federal government has plans to build an industrial port that's going to destroy the entire ecosystem. Playa Brasil, Playa Azul, and Salinas del Marqués Lagoon not only provide habitat for endemic species, but they are also economically vital ecosystems for the local fishermen. The habitat that surrounds Punta Conejo is also home for the reproduction and breeding of listed and vulnerable species, such as the leatherback and the olive riley sea turtles. Punta Conejo is also an internationally recognized surf break, and the development of the new port would have a direct impact on the wave. And high-quality waves, such as Punta Conejo, are incredibly rare and very sensitive to changes in the environment. Last year, there was an oil spill in the port of Salina Cruz, affecting the region's flora, fauna, the tourism, and also the fishing activities. This recent event highlights the importance of protecting the surf ecosystem to prevent future threats to the coastal environment, but also the waves, the biodiversity, and the local livelihoods. This is why we decided to join our local partners in Playa Brasil to launch the Salvemos Punta Conejo campaign, securing almost 300,000 signatures in support of the petition to protect this unique ecosystem. Our work will result in a protected area that will preserve biodiversity, 5 surf breaks, 1,100 hectares of wetlands, and the traditional livelihoods of 4 communities. By protecting these places, we want to make sure that young surfers like Jonas from Playa Brasil and Mariana, my daughter, will be able to surf their home breaks for many years to come, but also they can pursue their dreams of becoming Olympic athletes. Help us reach out our goal by protecting 1,000 surf ecosystems by 2030. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mara. Well done. You can go to the middle, join our jury for the Q&A session.
Thank you.
Thank you. You mentioned Olympic athletes. To what extent are you already working with athletes, Olympians, and sport organizations?
Sure. We have collaborated with the WSL, the World Surfing League, in many projects, especially in Costa Rica and in Brazil, working in the World Surfing Reserves of Guarda Dumbao and Playa Hermosa. But also we have surfers ambassadors, athletic ambassadors, that help us spread the word and create awareness among the community of the global surfing community. So yes, we work very directly with athletes.
Campaigning against something this big is incredible, right? So do you have any direct engagement with the Mexican government? How are you building in cooperative activism, let's say?
Yes, good question. So we are building a coalition. We are working with other NGOs, Wild Coast in Mexico, who has a very close relationship with the Mexican government, and we are submitting a petition to the Mexican government to protect this place. We already developed the technical studies together with the 2 universities. So yes, the idea is that we will work together with the Mexican government and other NGOs in order to move forward towards a protected area.
Can I ask you which NGOs locally? Is it Beta Diversidad, or with whom are you working in Mexico?
Yes, so in Oaxaca, we're working with Wild Coast or Costa Salvaje. In Baja California, we have worked with ProNatura. We already created a state park, a protected area around a surfing location in Baja California with ProNatura. So, and for this campaign, we're going to work with SEMDA, which is like the Center of Environmental Mexican Law. So, yeah, we have a very strong coalition.